I'm Mrs. Holbritter, and I'm going to show you what the process is for making boxes for Kitchen Kettle Village. And everybody's going to sign in this sheet with a pencil. So you see how that's made. So you're going to put the student's name, the date. Please enter their W number, the job trainer, the time you were in, the time you were out, and how much time you worked. Very important that every person does that when they come in. So this is how you make a box. So this is a kitchen kettle box. This is the outside of the box. This is a complete box. This is what it starts out as. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to make that box. I fold it up like a hot dog bun. I pull my sides down like this because it's easier. And the inside, your corners have to come in. It goes over the top and it snaps in like that. Same with the other side. This is where it gets kind of tricky. So I always say you're gonna make wings. You're gonna make wings. So in the middle here, there's like a perforated line. I squish that like that, and I grab the box and I push that down into the box like that. So then it looks like this. I take the sides up with my finger. I push in, there's a little perforated line right there. I push that down, and then I push the side down, and then I make a triangle. And I do that for all four sides, like so. So the inside of the box, when it's completed, should look like this. And then you close the box. Fold the sides up. And put the sides in. Like so. So I'll show you it. Sometimes the sides don't like to cooperate, like this one. Make wings. I'm gonna fold this perforated line in half. And then with my one hand, I'm gonna squish it down and hold it with the other. Bring this back, push it down with my finger, and make a triangle. So. Your finished boxes can go on the shelving unit right here. If you have a student that struggles making the boxes, it's okay, you can do a team effort. Lots of kids just put it together until this point because they were struggling with the centers. If you have a student that does understand it and can do the center, then have them finish the box. It's okay to tag team. Some kids will pick it up really quickly, others may not, and that's all right. But the biggest thing is making sure this is on the outside of the box when it's complete, and that the inside